Hello folks, welcome to Sherwood Park Toyota, located at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. Today I'm going to be showing you this 2020 Toyota Sienna SE all-wheel drive. Now the most notable features on this SE all-wheel drive is its power sliding rear doors. You also have your DVD player along with your power moonroof. Now I'm going to go through a couple more features on the inside and outside of the vehicle just to get you better familiar with this 2020 Toyota Sienna SE all-wheel drive. Let's get started. Now, a couple of the exterior features that you will see on this SE all-wheel drive is its daytime running lights. You also have your fog lamps. Taking a closer look just over on the side, you have your 18-inch aluminum alloy wheels, foldable mirrors, as well as your heated mirrors. If you take a look on the inside of the mirror, you're going to find your blind spot monitoring indicator. Now, with that indicator, it'll actually light up just learning if there is another vehicle right beside you. And just to give you a better idea of what the second row is actually going to look like, as you can see, you have second row captain seats. You have the sunshade visors located in the third and second row windows. And if you take a look up top, you'll find your DVD player. Close button will be located just on the inside of the door, so all you have to do is push on the button once, and it will close for you automatically. Now, if you're worried about your kids or possibly yourself getting your hand or arm jammed to the door, you don't have to worry about that. It has the jam protection feature. So in the event that the door does sense as there's an obstruction in the way, it'll actually open itself back up automatically. And closing it from the outside, just pull on the handle once and it will close for you automatically. Color we're going to be taking a look at today is gray, and taking a closer look just at the front dash as well as the front seats. You have your black interior, power driver's seat with lumbar support, traction control on and off, and then on the inside of the driver's side door, you have your mirror controls, window locks, power locks, and window controls. Now, a couple of the controls you'll see here on the steering wheel include your volume control, seek function, mode select, voice recognition, Bluetooth connectivity, as well as your lane departure alert, cruise control, and it does offer the push button start. So all you have to do is put your foot on the brake, hit the push button, and it will start up for you automatically. Taking a look at the multi-informational display, you'll see a couple of different features on here. So if we actually scroll through, you have a digital speedometer with your fuel economy, all-wheel drive, and you can also go through and take a look at your compass, audio, lane departure alert, messages, and settings menu with the ECT power, blind spot monitoring on and off, rear cross traffic alert, pre-collision system, lane departure alert, and a couple of other additional features as well. Taking a look at the center dash as well as the touch panel display, you'll see a couple of different features on there, which include, if you go inside the menu screen, your destination audio phone, as well as a couple of other additional features. With the apps menu, it's part of the Entune app suite, so as long as you have it on your phone, you can use such apps as the Slacker app, which allows you to stream your music from your phone onto the touch panel display. You can also check on local fuel prices or on the latest sports scores, just depending on what your preferences are. Premium JBL sound system with the Sirius XM satellite radio, hazard lights, temperature control settings. You'll also find it's mounted to an automatic transmission, heated seat controls for your driver and passenger, USB and auxiliary input, and you'll also find your power outlets. Now, if you take a look up top, you have the auto-dimming rear view mirror with the digital compass, and then you'll find the open and close for the power liftgate, power sliding rear doors, and your power moonroof controls as well. SOS Connect with the sunglass case holder, and then taking a look at the backup camera, as you can see, you have those nice guiding lines in there, making things much easier for you when you back into a stall. Finally, we'll be taking a look at your rear cargo area as well as your tailgate. Now located on the back, you're going to find your backup camera and the rear hatch release just located underneath. Closing in on the rear cargo space, as you can see, you have a 60-40 split for the third row, so in the event that you need additional passengers, it's available to you, but if you need the additional cargo space, it's also available for you as well. Instructions for how the seats fold or unfold are just located on the back of the seat. Over on the right hand side, you'll find the power outlet, and then over on the left, you'll find some additional storage space for some smaller items. And even with the 60-40 split being actually up, you still have plenty of cargo space just located down below for yourself as well. And then when you're all finished up, just push on the back of the tailgate once, and it will close for you automatically. Thank you so much, folks, for watching this video today. If you have any questions, please visit us. We're located at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. Phone number is 780-410-2455, or please visit our website at sbtoyota.com to get us by email. Once again, folks, thank you so much for watching this video today. If you have any comments or any additional questions, please leave them in the comments section located down below. Other than that, make sure you have a great day, and I hope to see you next time.